I have a pointed cool white bulb 300 LED, and I have the rounded one, so let's install it quick. This is the one I use, commercial grade clips. It's good to use it. That's how I set it up. Simply stretch the wire and drop it like that, and pour it, and then clip it. And you will notice when you get it kinked, you can just pull it out and roll it. It's gonna be lay. This one is rounded. If you can see, the wire is random in length. So that's the result. Bye, thanks.